welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this Cupra Ateca VZ2 with us in the workshop. So as you may know, this car is based on the MQB platform, so it's got the same 2-litre turbo engine that the Golf R has. And as we all know, with the GPS and all the back boxes and everything on the exhaust systems of this car, they sound a little bit lackluster from the factory. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting the stock exhaust off from the GPF back and fitting a Milltek non-resonated rear half of the exhaust. So what this is going to do is it's going to really open up the sound from the 2-litre turbocharged engine in this car. It's going to make it sound a lot more fruity, going to give you some extra crackles and pops, and it's just basically going to enhance the driving experience altogether. So we're going to get the car in the workshop, get the old exhaust off, show you the difference between that and the new one, get the new one on and give you some sound clips. So we have the OEM system off the car and we've got the Milltek lined up next to it. So we will quickly show you the differences between the two systems before we can get the new Milltek system on the car and give you some sound bites. So as you can see, visually they are very similar exhausts. The main differences are that the back box on the Milltek is slightly smaller than the one on the OEM system. Now you can see that we can retain the valves. We've just got to swap them over onto the new system and then you'll still be able to quieten it down when you want to. Now this is a non-resonated exhaust, so as you can see here it has a straight through pipe here. If you buy the resonated version it is slightly quieter and you get a resonator in this pipe here. And so a lot of people ask us, how loud is it going to be? A lot of people who buy this platform, so the MQB platform, they tend to lean towards the non-res version because you get that little bit more sound, you get some crackles and burbles, and it does sound quite good. And the other main thing we get asked is, what is the difference between the res and the non-res? So as I showed you a second ago, this being a non-res system is slightly louder than the resonated system. Overall, it's still a super nice, super refined system because this car still has the GPS in it. So that means that it will be quietened down quite a lot with the GPS as opposed to if you were to say cut them out, but obviously that will mean that your car doesn't pass emission standards in the UK and won't be road legal. So all we've got to do now is get the new system assembled, get it in the car and show you the noise. Okay, so we have the Milltek exhaust fitted to the Cupra Ateca. We've got some exhaust clips and it sounds mega. Also, the customer has opted for the matte black tips, which suit the color and the whole vibe of the car really, really nicely. So as we said earlier, this is a great system to just slightly enhance the sound of the cars, especially the ones fitted with these GPFs. These systems are also available for all other MQB platforms, whether it's a GTI Golf, a Golf R, any of the other Seats or Cupras, loads and loads of things that this system will fit onto. So if you're looking to enhance the sound from your EA888 2-litre turbo engine, head over to shop.regalautosport.com and you can buy your own system. You can get it fitted in our workshop or you can fit it at home yourself. We do ship worldwide, so don't worry if you're not in the UK, you can still get a hold of one of these super, super cool Milltek systems. So hope you enjoyed that video and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.